Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, this right here, I'm going to review the Pact Lite Bathroom Kit. And so this right here is probably the neatest way to actually get rid of waste when it comes to digging a hole and burying your waste. And with it, this is great for outdoors. So what we have here is that first we have the shovel, and this is really lightweight. It's very rugged. It's very sturdy. This is what you're going to use to actually go ahead and dig. You've also got an attachment here in case you want to go ahead and attach this. You've also got the 6-inch line here as far as how deep you should be digging your waste. Now, in addition to that, you do have the pack wipes. So how this works is that they are ergonomical friendly and they also basically expand when you wet them. So how this works is that you simply just need to put water on one of these wipes. It's going to unfold into a 9-inch towel. Afterwards, you just wipe, repeat, and you can basically bury the wipe into the hole using the pack shovel, and it'll just be friendly for the environment. And so with it, this is great if you're going outdoor camping and there are no usable toilets, but check it out for yourself. This is an ultra lightweight shovel that comes with these pack wipes, which is really convenient when it comes to wiping and such. But check it out for yourselves.